There he is.
What's up, dog?
The kid.
How you doing?
Welcome, welcome. I got shit in the trunk, but throw your stuff in the back seat. Boy!
We made it.
You like my rental whip?
It's pretty sly, yeah.
I'm a beast, I'm a problem. Let that shit fly. You don't want no problem. I be feeling like Batman.
All right, so I told Sean tomorrow I'll take him anywhere he wants to go. It does not matter of the drive. He has got it down to Yosemite National Park or Death Valley National Park. Coin's gonna decide. Flip it. Heads. Whoa. Heads, Yosemite. Tails, Death Valley.
All right.
Give it a flip. Where are we going?
Wait, what was it again?
Heads, Yosemite. Tails, Death Valley.
We're going to Death Valley.
Oh, Lord. Pack some water. Let's ride.
The next day.
Bye-bye, Jagger. Bye-bye, France.
It was kind of like the year where Pittsburgh ended up beating Carolina, I believe.
We're about 20 miles into the Mojave. Pretty much lost sight of civilization. We did find a pretty sweet abandoned area. Let's check it out. Not much left out here. It's an old mattress. Old silo. You wanna get back on the road?
Oh, yeah.
Let's ride. About 2 hours out from Death Valley. Quick shout out to the Death Valley merch shop, Fire Hat. All right, check this out. Behind us, California. In front of us, wait. Nevada.
What? Sorry, just quickly. What if it's da 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 down 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 da 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 down down down. Show me pity, show me party. I'll be what you want, and it's physical. Keep it subliminal. Show me what you want. Show me pity, show me party. I'll be what you want, and it's physical. Keep it subliminal. Show me what you want. Show me a piece of your heart, a piece of your love. I'm calling you up to getting down, down, down. The way that we touch is never enough. I'm turning you up to getting down, down, down.
All right, Sean, long day in the valley, Death Valley. We're gonna see if we can put you on In-N-Out Burger. You got high hopes?
I do. I've heard great things.
Let's run it.
Been hyping this up.
Let's go. Workforce?
Chick-fil-A workforce.
Valid workforce. Look at this guy. Yeah. All right, what do we got here?
Hamburger, fries, chocolate shake.
Standard, no animal style.
Still don't know what that is.
Yeah, well, I don't either, but I've been told to get it, and it's paid off for me. So, any initial thoughts as you look at the burger here?
It's basic.
Basic, in a good way.
Yeah.
Okay. First bite. Concluding thoughts?
Overall, it was pretty decent. Not anything I'd go out of my way for, especially in California. But you know, it was a good burger overall, especially for the price. But if I was to rank my top 4, I'd go Smash Burger,
Okay.
Wendy's, McDonald's, In-N-Out. Actually, no. In-N-Out, then McDonald's. My bad.
Okay.
Yeah.
Made the top 3.
Yeah, made top 3.
Not bad.
It's a good
In-N-Out.
burger.
Not bad.
Fries need work though.
Fries were horrific. Fries were, warn people about the fries.
McDonald's got them on that.
Yeah.
I'll
Yeah.
give them that.
All right, let's get out of here.